Hey, I'm in Champions Gate again today. This is a beautiful community. We are in Davenport, Florida. I should actually say is the name of the city. Champions Gate is the name of the larger community. It's been around for a while and it's very well known. But KB Homes is the builder in this community, Bellaviva, and they're building plenty of homes. And since the start of January, they've sold quite a bit. I'm being told about 60 already. So they're well on their way in this beautiful community. The home behind me is a single story. Their floor plans are named after the square footage of the floor plan. So this one I believe is the 1989. It's a good year. I'm an 80s child. But the KB Home builder is a very reputable builder. They're a nationwide builder. They've been around for a while and they're doing a wonderful job here. They've got nice amenities coming in here. They're going to have a mixture of townhomes, single family homes, and a whole bunch of stuff. So I'd love to get you more information about current incentives. Typically there's incentives, they change from month to month to draw people in, but I'd like to help you get the most that you can out of your purchase if you're interested. So reach out. My information is always below, and if you don't mind, hit like, subscribe, and bell notification icon to help out the channel. Let's check the home out.